Miss Star Crew? What's up, Star Crew? You know Star got you. Hey, what is up, y'all? This is Miss Star Smile, baby. Wait. Alright, y'all. So my New Year's Eve went kind of like this. So while y'all was partying and turning up for New Year's Eve, what was I doing? Laundry. So I gathered all my laundry, put it in the car, right? Put all laundry in the car, right? I was like, oh, it's New Year's Eve. I'm gonna record a New Year's Eve video, and then I'm gonna go do laundry. Guess what? All my plans were foiled. They were all foiled, and then I was like, let me go do laundry. I finally went really late to the laundry. You know, went to buy some soap. Then after that, realized I parked too far from the laundry because it was like in like a bodega type. It was like in like a like, you know those stores that's like clumped together. It wasn't one of those. But then I was like, okay, let me go to this laundromat. y'all want to know what was so crazy about these headphones? So here I am before I went to go do laundry, right? Which is also why I went so late. I was like, can we find my headphones? I was going crazy looking for my headphones. And guess where I found my headphones? While I was doing laundry in the washing machine. I found it when it went on spin. Time you can't take it out. On spin. It was spinning to its maximum potential. And now all I see is the headphones like, help, help, help. And I'm just like, I was like, my headphones! I was so mad. Everybody was looking at me like I was crazy. I was like, and I was literally looking at me like, hello darkness, my old friend. I was so mad. And then I was like, oh no, now I have no more headphones. Now I just spent $30 on laundry. I have to spend $30 on headphones. Oh my gosh, that's $60 in one day. Oh man, what do I do? What do I do? And I was like, I guess I can go to Best Buy right now, but Best Buy is about to close soon, and all the stores are about to close. And then I'm working tomorrow, and then I'm gonna need headphones. I'm gonna have no headphones. So I was really, like, my light flashed before my eyes with my headphones. I saw my headphones in there. I was just like, that was before I found what I found. So then I take my headphones out of the washing machine when it finished the whole cycle, and then I was like, I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. So then I take the headphones, I play a song. One of them played perfectly fine, and the other one played a little like dimmer, but it was like, you could like adjust to it. But then I was like, that's crazy, because I really thought my headphones was done. Like, it was just soap in water and soap. My headphones were washed in there. And then it came out of the pocket it was in. So basically it was just swirling and swirling and swirling around, maximum potential. And then my headphone comes out and it's working beautifully. I was just like, never would have made it. This is amazing. I was so happy. So then I went to go put everything to dry, and that's when I found. So while I'm drying the clothes, now I'm drying the clothes, right? I was like, whatever, I'm staying here. I'm not moving out of my spot. It's cold. I want to go home. I'm trying to finish this. So I finally got to the dryer. Finally about to dry the clothes because I didn't want to leave the clothes there. So I put the clothes to dry. While I'm putting to dry, I put stuff, and then I see a $20 bill just falls out. And I'm like, I dropped my money. I was like, wait, there's $20 in the sheets? Wait, whose $20 is that? Was that my $20? Did I lose $20? When did I have $20? And I didn't see that when I was putting it in there. Like, oh, oh, guess who got $20? And I put it in my pocket, right? And then I was like, that was really weird. And I was just sitting there thinking about the $20. And then after that, I was like, oh, let me go check on the blankets. Oops, I forgot to add the dryer sheet. So then I took the dryer sheet, the scented dryer sheet, and then I went to put it back in there. And I saw another $20 bill. And I was like, wait a minute. Didn't I just take that? Wait, what? What? What's going on here? Wait, what? So now I was like, I can't leave it there. So let me just open it and take it out. So then I opened it and then I took it out and I started looking around the dryer. I was like, wait, what? What is going on in here? There's just $20 in here. And then while I was closing it, something stuck out and I saw more $20 bills. And I was just like, you know what that means. So then I was like, oh. So then I open the dryer, I see at the corner there's a whole bunch of $20 bills. So then I was like, it's my lucky day and nobody uses this dryer but me. Of course, I didn't know people don't use that dryer because it dries the slowest and it takes the longest and it's more expensive. But I didn't know that. I just thought, hey, it's bigger, it's gonna work. So I put it in there and then I ended up finding, you know how much I found in that dryer? All around the perimeter of the dryer. Like, you know where stuff usually gets stuck at? Well, $20 bills got stuck right there around that rim of the dryer. I just took and put in my pocket. I just took in stuff, zip, 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 zip. And then I put an extra quarter. I was like, blankets, you gonna dry today. You gonna dry today. After all the blankets finished drying, I folded everything. And then I went to the car and I was like, wait, let me see how much I have. And like, I just counted what was in this pocket. I forgot all about the other pocket. I stuffed stuff in both pockets. So then I was just like, oh, I got about $100 in this pocket. You know, counting up the crumpled up 20s. I got $100 in the dryer machine. I probably spent about $30 something on washing clothes and got back $100. And then when I went home, I was like, wait, let me empty out my pockets. Didn't I have more than this? And I was like, empty out my pockets, and then I found a 40. And I was like, wait a minute. And more 20s, same crumpled up 20s. I was like, I ended up finding $140 in the dryer. New Year's Eve, I was hyped. Like, what? I was so hyped because first I ended up going to the wrong laundry. I never went there before. I did the laundry on New Year's Eve. See, and it all worked out in my favor because I ended up finding a nice treasure on New Year's Eve. So here's a note for y'all: when you guys are doing your laundry, check the dryer machine. There may be some stuff hiding on the side. But yes, that was so crazy how I found that in the dryer machine, because I wasn't even thinking that. I was just like, wait, what? Where's all this stuff coming from? And I was like, wait, what? And I saw it all at the rim. I was like, oh, thank you, Jesus. And I put it in my pocket. And we dipped. That was so funny. So that's how my New Year's Eve went. And of course, New Year's Day, while I was leaving from work, I'm trying to open the door. Everything's locked, right? Because I had to close in shift. So then I'm trying to open the door, and it's like pull, right? So of course, I pull it, and I guess where I put my finger, it snaps. There's like a little pinching reflex. So while I pulled it, my finger was there, and it just went, and it like just almost pierced my finger. I was like, ah! And I was trying to hold the door for somebody too while I was on the phone. And then they were like, are you okay? Are you okay? And I was in so much pain, I didn't even like respond. I was just like, ah, my finger, I can't drop my finger. And of course I parked OD far. Like, I don't know why I didn't park closer to where I were. Like, I should have just parked right there instead of all the way on the other side. But you know, my finger was like blue at the time. It was sort of blue, but now I feel like it's a little hard a little bit, but it's healing. So that's kind of how my New Year's Eve to New Year's went. So let me know how y'all New Year's went. What did y'all do? Did y'all turn up? I bet y'all did without me. But it's okay, because I found $140 while doing laundry. Last minute. Last minute paid off this time. Literally. Oh, I cracked myself up. But yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for listening to the story time. And if you want to be part of the Star Crew, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend. Let them know that you can find money in the laundromat. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. And remember, guys, to slay all day. Happy New Year's. Hey, we lit. Happy New Year to you, to you. Right. I be seeing this on the train. If you're from New York, and you see this on the train, they be like, oh, come breathe, come breathe. Guys, I can't do it. It's okay. I don't know.
You are in the frame.
See my forehead, is it big?
Your forehead is fine, yeah.
It's not big, I don't got a big forehead.
Oh, yeah, small forehead.
Is it recording me?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna record now.